Good morning! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, your Nami Alawas. Yan guys, for today, I'm gonna make a bongga nice bouquet. Ganyan. Bongga siya guys because it's a mixture of a different kind of flowers. Yan. So I have a customer, she ordered by WhatsApp. And then, we're gonna make it for delivery. So, I already prepared the flowers, and now we're gonna wrap it with nice cover. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. Ayan guys, nilagyan natin siya ng shabak. It's like a net, fish net. Ayan, for palamuti. We're gonna cover it. This is it guys, our Korean style wrapping bouquet with full of flowers. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching me, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell for the latest videos. Thank you for watching guys, hope you like this creation. And wait a minute, I will put our branding logo. Ayan. So this is it guys. This is it. Really pansit. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. Peace. Yeah. So I hope you like this Korean style bouquet with peachy light pink color. It has shabak. It's like a fishnet details. Thank you for watching guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, subscribe.